So that big pile of veg has roughly gone into make this much chopped veg. Um, Everything you saw before. I don't really want to go over it again. And a sprig of rosemary, a sprig of thyme. I'm going to put a bit of dried herb de Provence. Just like just a little. I'm going to give it a bit more bite with a little bit of bite with some crushed cayenne chilies, dried chilies. Gonna pop in a spoon of mustard. Spoon of mustard, there we go. A few grains of cumin. And then a few whole peppercorns. Just drop in a few peppercorns. And then that has, I weighed the veg, I had 1.5 kilos of veg, so I did the 2% rule for the salt. And now I'm going to add water to cover so that we have a brine. Et voila. Now we have filled that with liquids, we've got a brine going. And we're just going to put the top on that, leave it for a couple of days, watch as it ferments, and rescrew the lid. You're probably thinking I'm a bit mad for this fermentation stuff at the moment, but I am a little bit, because it makes everything just taste a little bit better. It gives it a nice sweetness, nice little hint of alcohol. It preserves it for a long time. It traps all the nutrients in there because you're not like cooking and destroying things. And these bugs that we kind of evolved to be around, that we used to preserve our foods over thousands of years before we invented fridges and freezers, they're like an important part of our digestion that we really miss. And I personally, when I'm eating foods like this and I'm drinking things like the probiotic lemonades and etc., I really feel like my energy levels pick up like quite considerably. I hope if you're going to try some of these, and I hope you get some good results.